Hey everyone, welcome back to Hi Mama's online content activity hub. My name is Kaya and I'm an early childhood educator here at Hi Mama headquarters. For today's activity, this is a bit of a science experiment and it involves some leaves and plants and some color changing magic. Your child is definitely going to love this activity. This activity will help talk about cause and effect, why leaves are changing colors and how they change colors, and it may even spark conversation on the different parts of flowers and leaves and plants in general, like stems, leaves, maybe even to some really sciencey talks about photosynthesis and how the stem actually works to suck up water to feed the rest of the flower and the plant. Who knows? So for this activity, you're going to need some flowers or leaves. If you go on a neighborhood walk, you can pick some up. I just trimmed these from my plants this morning that weren't looking too healthy, but they definitely work great. Some flowers that I picked up at the grocery store. And you're also going to need some food coloring. Make sure they're the darker colors just so they show up really, really vibrantly with your plants and your flowers. So I chose blue and red on the darker level. We'll need some scissors to cut our flowers and plants. We'll need some water and a clear container. It's important that it's clear here, so you can use a mason jar. I just have a plastic cup here. It's important that it's clear on the sides so that as the child is seeing the progress throughout the week, they don't have to pull the plant out to actually take a look at it. They can take a look at it from the sides here using the magnifying glass. Alrighty, so let's get into it. So like I said, first thing we'll need to do is take some of our flowers and plants, give them a trim, make sure the ends are nice and fresh. So that one there had a little bit of brown on the bottom. The rest of these look good. I chose a carnation as well that was white because that's going to show up some color really, really nicely. Perfect. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is take some of our water and some of our food coloring and put a few drops in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That should be good. And then we can go ahead and put our leaves and flowers in. So stem side down, let's give it a swirl, and we're just gonna plop them in, make sure not to overcrowd. And I'll put my carnation in there as well. And these are just gonna sit on your countertop or in a safe space, and the child can come and go and take a look at any changes they may notice on the leaves with their magnifying glass or just using their eyes. And eventually what they're gonna start to notice is that the leaves are actually turning color. You can ask them why they think this is happening. I'll show you what happened when I did this a few days ago. So I had my white carnation and it actually started to turn the stem red and it started to turn the flower red at the tip. So I think the longer I leave this in here, eventually maybe the whole carnation will go red. And it also turned my leaf red as well. So super cool science experiment that I think your children will love. Let us know what happened. Did your leaves change colors? How long did it take? I'm really curious about that. Thank you everyone so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed today's activity and we will see you soon. Bye.